Hi, welcome back to my channel, Maison Network. So I had post another the video that unboxing of this ZJ099 phone holder, Rearview mirror phone holder. Okay, so this is the video of the installation. So if you, I don't know if you don't have any idea, so let's be with me for installation. So first, you this one for the mirror, to hold the mirror. This is like this, right? Okay, then you get this will be here. Okay, then fasten it. Okay, and then this. Okay, remember this, the one that facing front, and the one facing back. The facing front is on the top, so here just press for this, just press. Oh, okay, done. So to fasten this one. All right, before that, they say they say it's 360. Can it's 360? Let's try. Okay, like this. Here, here, here. Not 360. I guess it's like 180. Okay, so that's it. And then yeah, the last one. The styrofoam sticker. So this is for here. So this. Nice. Then second one. Oh. Done. The last. Not the last. The last for the mirror. The one that to hold on the mirror. Yep. Okay, this done. Okay, so nice. And then last one is for the phone. This small. Let me show you like this. Okay. Is it right? Wait. Oh yeah, correct. Okay, then second one. I think it's to install. Wait, just press this, so you get a more room, and then yeah. Okay, there you go. So, okay, good. Another two. Okay, you kind of like try first, don't push it. Try first whether it's the right position. Push this, and then you put first. Oh no. Okay. Oh, like that. Okay. When you confirm, then you push. Okay, done. Yay! So if let's say put the phone. So press this and put it. Yep. Okay. Good. If like this. It really holds really well, so you don't need another holder on the other in this side. So that's why the design is quite good. Ta-da! Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you very. Oh yeah. By the way, this one, whether it's movable or not. Okay. So here until here, then until here. Yeah, it's movable. Movable is another thing. Let's say, is it very hold tight if I put on like the other side? Okay, this one. Shit. Good. It's good. That's why it's a good product. That's why 34,500 people bought. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.